Do it again.
No look. Wow.
Where'd it go?
Oh, shit. Hang on.
It went underneath the...
Oh, are you fucking serious?
Oh,
no. My gosh.
Oh no.
Are we actually serious?
Oh no, good luck moving this.
Time to lift the fridge.
I don't know how we're gonna move this.
Is it actually under there?
I don't know. I didn't see where you threw it.
Dude, they're gonna think this is scripted. This is not at all part of the plan.
We're gonna have to move this somehow, and I don't know how we're gonna do it.
Well,
This refrigerator probably weighs like...
Well, wait till
Oh my god.
Wait till everyone gets
weighs about 500 pounds.
That actually went.
Oh! Boom! It was under that one.
Thank God.
Bless.
time to throw it under there for real now.
Yeah. Another boxing video. I'm ready. This time I'm ready. You know what I'm gonna start doing?
Nope.
I'm not gonna tell you actually. You're just gonna figure it out when we get out there.
Don't worry about it. The champ. Current champ.
The current
SRT light heavyweight holder.
the current
Right here, baby.
Demon plum crazy.
The champ. Who wants it?
Ooh, he corporate.
Oh! Hey, what's up?
I swear I knew Greg
We were playing high song.
Okay.
What up, baby?
How you doing? See you. What's up, bro? Nice to see you.
It was good. It was Gucci.
MIG going crazy.
Literally nothing.
Unreal. Yes, I have two glasses on. One because I can't see, and two because I can't see.
Shoot. Cole, you ever been in this car?
I don't think so.
No way!
I don't
Really?
been in this one, no.
This is the good one.
I know, I think this is this one.
You've been
This
in
one and the black one.
You've been in
I don't think I don't remember being.
you've been in the Hellcat. I know you've been in the Hellcat.
Yeah.
I don't remember you being. I know the only two people that have been in this is Cam and Dominic.
Yeah.
That's it.
Not even Ricky or Andrew?
Ooh.
guess Ricky.
No, I think Andrew's driven this thing.
Oh yeah, for a little. Yeah.
Yo, you won't try to give it the smoke?
Yeah. Try it. Just try it. Entertain him a little bit. Give him a little bit. Run for his money. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what you feel like. That's what it feels like. The front end just kind of lifts up.
Oh my gosh.
I didn't think you were gonna like.
The only other way to describe it is like
I'm not in
taking
drag
off in an
either.
airplane.
If I was in drag, it's a lot different.
You just feel lighter.
oh.
So that was
No, my feet
nine.
are still tingling.
That was 900 horsepower.
Oh.
If you have it in drag, it's 1,025.
Keep your
No.
Come on, Bryce. Beat it. He wants to. Let's go.
No, that was scary. I swear he's probably going to our neighborhood.
There he goes.
Right now.
He's about to take off. Maybe not. He might be behaving. This car's weird. So it's got like levels. So like you'll put your foot into it, and it feels like a Hellcat, and then you like really step on it, and it turns into a friggin' rocket ship. I don't even know how to explain it. Like I'm kind of putting my foot into it there,
It's like it almost clicks.
and then
in.
all out of nowhere it just takes off.
Like how much like G-force?
It'll tell you. Hang on. I don't know if this might be it. I don't know. Yeah, here it is.
Oh my god.
From you fucking almost totaling the white Mustang.
That wasn't even, the G's weren't even.
It didn't even count.
It did, but it didn't even leave the center circle.
Oh my god.
It's probably because it wasn't a launch. If it was a launch, it'd be a lot different.
I don't know.
It is so fast. Like, it's just, it really isn't that much.
Yo, you saw that Stang?
Yeah.
He's trying to float with you.
What did they say? Did you say Jason Brown?
Yeah.
We
Just.
we pulled up on him when he rolls the window down. Ricky like flashes the camera and he's like, "Oh, we all with him?" We're like, "Yeah." he goes, "It's Demon 170." He goes, drops his jaw. He's like, "No way, no freaking way!" He's like freaking out.
Did he say his name?
Nah, but we told him to race you.
Yeah, we tried to.
Yeah, that's right.
We tried to instigate.
He didn't really. He just kind of flirted with it.
Yeah. Anyway, we're gonna go do our thing.
They thought it was him. Do it again, do it again, do it again, do it again.
Oh, he didn't skirt it.
Wow.
god.
Oh my gosh. Oh, here's the mic. With the mic on.